What is going on, guys? In this video we'll be looking at the Microsoft Sculpt Mobile Mouse. This mouse is specifically created for Windows 8 and 10, but will work with any computer. It consists of a plastic outer build with 4 different clickable buttons. There are the usual left and right click, as well as the middle button by pressing the scroll wheel. However, the special feature of this mouse is the Windows key. This allows you to open the start menu with one click instead of using the keyboard. This may seem like a good feature in theory, but the positioning of the mouse makes it impractical and hard to press when holding the mouse normally. In addition, this button cannot be remapped through the Microsoft Mouse and Keyboard Center, which is a waste of an extra button which could be used for another function. The small form factor of the mouse makes it extremely portable. A downside of the mouse is that it doesn't come with a case, which would increase the convenience of this device. Underneath the mouse is a USB storage slot and a power switch. The USB can be taken out by pressing the eject key. This feature is extremely useful as the USB can easily be stored and will not fall out by itself. Power is toggled by a simple on and off switch, where down is off and up is on. The scroll wheel can be used to navigate wide documents and websites by pushing left and right, as well as the usual up and down scroll. For those who use Excel spreadsheets often, this can come in handy, as you won't have to use the scroll bar for sideways navigation. In terms of performance, there's no noticeable input lag when playing games. I also haven't experienced any cuts in connection, and setup is extremely fast. Overall, the Microsoft Sculpt Mobile Mouse is a real bargain at 38 Australian dollars for anyone in the market who is looking for an easy-to-use on-the-go mouse. While the lack of a case and limited ability to reprogram is a slight issue, at this price, there aren't many other mice from reputable companies that can offer the same experience. Leave a comment down below on what mouse you use, and subscribe to my channel if you already have it for more reviews, unboxings and tutorials. And until next time, don't forget to keep it real.